Jai Hind everyone, I am from Indian Space Team today's Rocket Science News. In a groundbreaking achievement, the Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, has pushed the boundaries of space technology with its latest venture into additive manufacturing. On May 9th, ISRO successfully completed a hot test of its liquid rocket engine, crafted entirely through three-dimensional printing techniques. This test, lasting a notable 665 seconds, marks a significant milestone in rocket engineering. The engine in question, part of ISRO's PS4 series, was traditionally built using conventional machining and welding. However, this new iteration is not only more efficient but also environmentally conscious, saving 97% of raw materials and slashing production times by 60%. This leap in manufacturing technology could revolutionize how spacecraft are built, making space exploration more accessible and sustainable. The PS4 engine, known for its role in both the fourth stage of the Polar satellite launch vehicle and the reaction control system of its first stage, operates on a bipropellant combination. This includes nitrogen tetroxide as the oxidizer and monomethylhydrazine as the fuel, efficiently managed in a pressure-fed system. This successful test not only underscores ISRO's innovative approach to space technology, but also sets a new standard for global space missions. As we continue to explore the cosmos, such advancements ensure that our journeys are not just farther and faster, but also smarter and more responsible. Output: